Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon. Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the Samsung Galaxy A10, the most basic A series smartphone right now. The A10 was launched alongside A30 and A50, but now it's in the market. This is priced at 8,490 rupees and it's available both online and offline. And here are the major specs of the phone. It comes with a 6.2-inch display, and along with that, the Infinity V display. So there's a tiny notch on the top for the camera, and along with that there's the Exynos 7884 processor, 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB storage, 13 MP rear camera, 5 MP front facing camera, and a 3400 mAh battery. And this comes with the One UI from Samsung. So the A series is with One UI while the M series is still with the Experience UI, that is the previous one. While the MRP shows as 9,600 rupees here, it's actually priced at 8,500, and this is the black variant that we got. There are a couple of other options as well, but right now in the market, it's mostly the black that is available. So this is the Galaxy A10. Let's quickly unbox and check out what all comes in the box package before we talk about the phone. So firstly, inside the box package, what you get is this device itself, and this is the Galaxy A10 with the back that is almost similar to again how the Galaxy A30 and A50 were. They are good with the design, but it's the plastic back, so you'll have to take care of the back of the phone. There's no cover that is given in the box, so you'll have to take care of this with either using a new cover or have to keep it safe. So this is the A10. Let's talk about this later. We expected Samsung to at least give a rubber cover, but that's not given here. So you'll have to, in case you're planning to buy this phone, you'll have to get the case at one of the stores where you're buying this phone. There's a quick start guide, there's a warranty card, as well as a regional lock guide. So these are the three things that you get in the booklet box. Now after that is this travel adapter. Another disappointment here that you get a 5V1A travel adapter. That's the 5-watt charger. So it won't give any kind of fast charging. It's not even the 5V2A, it's 5V1A. So the phone might be supporting only 5V1A since the box also comes with that charger itself. And this is the micro USB cable that comes along for both the data transfer as well as for the charging of the phone. And lastly, this is the SIM ejector pin that is given inside the box. So these are the accessories. There's nothing else. There's no cover, there's no earphones as well. And this is the Galaxy A10 now. The A10, the first thing you notice on the front on the top is that Infinity V display. So there's a camera here, that's the 5 megapixel camera. The earpiece grill is at the edge of that. And this is quite a wide display. For a 6.2-inch, this is still a very comfortable size because of the fact that most of the bezels are gone. There's a thin bezel towards the sides and also towards the top, while on the bottom there's quite a big chin. And if you pull this from the bottom, there's Samsung Pay Mini as well. Now first let's finish off the physical aspect of the phone. On the back is this plastic back, and you have the camera, that's 13MP camera with the LED flash on the back, Samsung branding, and then the speaker grill towards the bottom. And towards the bottom of the phone itself, there's the micro USB port, the 3.5 headset jack, and also the microphone. And there's a secondary microphone on the top of the phone. On the right are the buttons, the power button and the volume rocker button. And on the left is the SIM card tray. So this is a dedicated micro SD card slot along with two nano SIM card slots, which is a good thing. You at least get the expandable storage that is dedicated. You don't have to compromise with one of the SIMs. And 32 GB is quite a good storage, but the only issue is it comes with 2 GB of RAM. If it had 3 GB and priced about 500 or 1000 more, it would have been quite a good deal. And this is the One UI. Now let's get into the about section first. So it's One UI 1.1 version based on Android 9 Pie. So that's what the A series comes with. It's the One UI, and these are the different options: biometrics and security. There's no fingerprint sensor to begin with, so you'll have to rely on the face unlock or the other options. So let's try the face unlock here itself. You'll have to use one of the backup options as well here. Now, are you wearing glasses right now? No. And so the face is registered, and stay on lock screen. When you unlock your face recognition, stay on the lock screen until you swipe. I'll turn this off. I need the face unlock to directly take me to the home screen. Faster recognition reduces the security and brighten screen. So now let's try this. So it's still opening the lock screen and then opening that display for you. And there's tiny animation that you see here. It's not the fastest, but still it's good enough. It's not bad. Since we have light around, otherwise the screen would have brightened up more to recognize the face. And under the other settings, if you go to the display settings, these are the things that you see. Adaptive brightness, there's also a night mode to keep things darker. And there's also the font and screen. There's also home screen options where you can change the grid layout and everything. There's easy mode under the display settings, and the navigation bar settings are there as well to move the buttons from left to right, or also use the full screen gestures, which is this. And so I would rather prefer the navigation buttons, but there's an option which is common on all the One UI phones. And along with that, there are other options such as motion and gesture features and animations. We'll be anyway doing a separate tips and tricks video to let you know about what all you can do with this budget phone from Samsung. Next thing is about the apps that are present here. There's the entire set of Samsung applications which include phone messages, voice recorder, and My Files, Samsung members, and FM radios pre-installed as well. Set of Google applications, a few Microsoft apps such as OneDrive and Office Mobile and LinkedIn. And there are other apps such as Samsung Pay Mini, Amazon Shopping, where the phone is available, along with the local stores as well. And Daily Hunt is pre-installed, one of those apps that you might want to delete anyway. Galaxy Store is there as well, though there's Play Store, which you would obviously prefer. And we did a couple of benchmarks already. To save your time here, let's get to the gallery. So under Antutu, the score was 89,895, and on the Geekbench it was 1165, 3616 for single core and multi-core. So if you have something similar in this price range, you can check out with that. And we'll be doing a separate gaming review to check out whether these kind of games, PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 8, work well. This is the camera application. So the camera app offers quite a lot of things. Again, there's photo, video, pro mode as well, where you can change ISO, white balance, and exposure value as well. And under the options, if you go here, the rear video can be at a max of 1080p. That's a full HD video recording. Even with the front camera, you can do a full HD video recording with a 5MP camera. And a high efficiency video with HEVC format can be taken, but I would usually not prefer that. Even recommend you to take the regular ones and not that. Even there's a HEIF which would save some size, but that creates an issue when you're trying to share those photos to the social media. And these are the other options where you see the aspect ratio changer and also the timer. And there's this option for the zoom that can be done directly from here. There's no zoom camera here, so it's a single camera. This is all digital zoom that is happening here. And now this is a selfie camera on the phone. Now this is the 5 megapixel selfie camera that has the options of photo and video. And there's not much here as well. It's the beautification, and there are filters that you can change between, and not more than that. So these kind of filters would sometimes look good as well. And so these are the only things that you can do. There's no option to actually, this is a beauty mode where you can change the beauty levels, and that's it. There's nothing more that you can do with the front facing camera. And so this is all about the Samsung Galaxy A10. We'll be doing a separate camera review since some of you might be interested to check out how good is this when compared to the Realme 3, which is priced at 9,000 rupees, just 500 rupees more. And how is it when we talk about the cameras as well as the other aspects like performance. So this comes with a 3400 mAh battery and the 5V1A charging, not more than that. So this is all about the Samsung Galaxy A10. Stay tuned for the other videos. We'll be doing the gaming review, camera review, and some comparisons of this phone. So stay tuned on the channel. Do like this video, share, and subscribe to Exynos for more. Thank you for watching, and see you on next video.